What's up guys, are you also looking out for budget friendly wedding decoration ideas? Do you also have a lot of wedding decoration ideas for your wedding in your mind, but you want to do it in a cost effective way, in a smart way, so that there's a less budget with regards to your wedding decoration? Trust me on this guys, I have a lot of tips, tricks, ideas for cost effective wedding decorations on our channel. I'm gonna assist you on how you can DIY your own wedding stage in a budget. What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of BAJA budget wedding season. This is Jamie. I hope you guys are doing super duper great. In today's video we are gonna DIY another beautiful wedding backdrop. So this again is a simple yet beautiful, classy and elegant backdrop. So let's dive in straight to the video and let me tell you how to get this done. So firstly I'm gonna set up my backdrop stand which I purchased from Amazon. Now in case you don't have a backdrop stand, no worries, you really don't have to purchase a backdrop stand worth 2,000-3,000 rupees just for one function. There are a lot of ways in which you can DIY your own frame. I already have a video in our channel, you can go check it out. There are a lot of ways in which you can DIY your own frame and make your own stand in a budget. Now guys, after you're done with your backdrop stand, put up a backdrop cloth as per the color that you have decided for your background. Guys, whenever you use your backdrop cloth, make sure you iron it, maybe one day before or something, because many times what happens is उसमें बहुत सारे creases हो सकते हैं, wrinkles हो सकते हैं. So make sure you take some time and iron your backdrop cloth before you hang it. I also have some artificial green creepers here that I'm gonna put it up on the top of the backdrop. So I've got these clamps from Amazon, you can check them out. I'm gonna put the link in description. I'm just using this clamp to fix the artificial creeper on the backdrop. I also have these artificial flowers. Guys, you can actually go for any color as per your backdrop and just attach it to the creeper. I've also hung some blue lanterns and decorated them with flower creepers. Let's see how to do it. Now these lanterns are available in my online wedding store. Please do go check out the link in description in case you want to purchase them. I'm just gonna put some artificial flower creepers into the lanterns and see how it looks guys. It actually looks very pretty. So these lanterns are available in many colors. You can go and check out our online store. I'm using blue here because I'm also using the pink backdrop cloth here. So I thought that might be a good combination. But even golden is very trending in these kind of lanterns. That also gives a very vintage, a very dreamy kind of a look. So here I've just used a very strong thread to hang these lanterns. I'm also making a centerpiece which has the initials of the couple on it. Let me show you how to do it. I'm just using a foam sheet here and I'm cutting out the initials using the foam sheet. Here it is guys. I also have this metal hoop that you can see behind, and yeah, so I'm going to use this metal hoop and I'm just sticking the initials that I've cut out onto the hoop. And I'm also putting some artificial flowers onto it for the extra decor. Guys, in case you're watching my channel for the very first time, I hope you guys are liking this video and thank you so much for watching this much of my video. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Please do take a moment and subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to me. We are almost 100k subscribers and it will really mean a lot to me in case you just take like 1 second of your time and hit that subscribe button that's right down there on the screen. So please do subscribe guys. So guys, this kind of decoration is quite popular and trending these days, wherein you have the initials of the names of the couple, the bride and bridegroom, decorated like this onto your backdrop. It's perfect for an engagement stage. So in case you're planning your weddings, please do take a look at our online wedding store. BAJA Budget Wedding Store is now online. We have shopped more than 100 orders in India and abroad guys. Check out these wide variety of stages that we have on our store. More than 70-80 wedding decoration stage ideas, wedding decoration props that you can DIY all by yourself. Just get the props from us. We're gonna customize the props for you and just decor it, just hang it. They're all ready to hang props and you can decorate your backdrops all by yourself guys. Now what do I do next? I always like some lighting onto the backdrop, so I'm gonna put some fairy lights and I'm just gonna wrap around all the lanterns so that the entire backdrop is evenly illuminated. Guys, check out this really cute stool that I bought from Amazon. It's wooden, and check out these LED pearl lamp that I have here. And I'm just gonna do the side decor first of all, and yeah, here is how I'm doing it. All the links are there in the description for the products used. And yes guys, on the other side I'm using some basic plastic stools and I'm covering them with some white backdrop cloth. I've also got these bird cages. It's available in my online wedding store. Check out the link in description. Now guys, we really thought that wooden seating might give a whole cozy and warm affair to the whole decor. So here it is. I kind of really like, I'm loving how the colors are going, like pink, blue, orange, maroon, all of these colors together, green. It's bringing out its own beauty onto the whole backdrop. It is actually looking really colorful but also very elegant and classy. This can actually be a very cozy and a beautiful decoration that you can set up all by yourself in the comfort of your house, maybe for your engagement or for your Roka ceremony. I really think this is very pretty. I've actually put up fairy lights literally everywhere on the bird cages, on the right side of the side decor, on my backdrop cloth, everywhere guys. I also have these really small battery operated candles here, which also looks very beautiful. I also feel that this initial board, which has the initials of the name of the couple who are getting engaged, it makes the whole backdrop really special and personalized. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I really hope that this video would have been useful to you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Take care, lots of love. Let me know in the comment section below कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, what we can improve, what kind of videos do you want to see. Please do let me know in the comment section below guys. Take care, bye bye, see you, lots of love, see you next week, bye bye.